Grayscale just dropped their top 20 altcoins for 2025. And before we ask them to pick up these coins, we're going to analyze these picks. And we've discovered they are sending shockwaves through the market. Are these picks the future of crypto or just another institutional strategy? Stick around today because we're diving in to what this list reveals about where the smart money is heading, what it means for your portfolio, and how many rich people does it take to pick up all those coins. Let's get it. I'm not a financial advisor. Welcome to Bitway X, home of the Bit Squad, the highest IQ investors in all the interwebs. I'm your humble host, the Bit Boy. If you're ready to decode Grayscale's top 20 altcoins and uncover how institutions are shaping the future of crypto, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Let's explore what's behind these picks and what it means for you. Grayscale's updated top 20 altcoins for 2025 reflect an evolving institutional focus. This isn't just about which projects are hyped. It's about understanding the sectors and trends that institutions believe will drive the next phase of growth. Among these new additions are names like Athena, Jupiter, Jito, Virtual Protocol, Hyperliquid, and Grass. While some of these projects are showing strong market momentum, others feel a little more speculative. Coins like Jupiter and Jito stand out as potential opportunities given their underappreciated utility. However, not every pick is worth chasing. The inclusion of projects like Virtual Protocol and the focus on layer 2 scalability shows that institutions are prioritizing infrastructure that supports long-term growth. Grass on Solana is particularly interesting. Described in the project's own words, Grass is building the first open internet scale web crawl. Today, the network is powered by over 3 million users who are running nodes to scrape petabytes of data for AI models. Only 2 companies in the world are capable of crawling the entire web, and this capability has been the backbone of their multi-trillion-dollar business. Grass aims to replace them by creating the first ever user-owned knowledge graph of the entire internet. Grayscale's top 20 isn't just a list of suggestions though, it's a signal of where institutional money might flow next. Projects that catch the attention of major players like Grayscale often see increased adoption and investment, making them worth paying attention to. However, retail investors shouldn't see this as a mandate to buy everything on the list. Instead, Grayscale's picks can serve as a starting point for your research. Look for projects with strong fundamentals and proven utility rather than chasing hype. For instance, coins like Jito, which aligns with layer 2 scalability, or Jupiter with its growing trading ecosystem, might merit further investigation. Navigating Grayscale's picks effectively involves a strategic approach to portfolio building. It's crucial to maintain balance by prioritizing coins with strong track records, such as leading layer 1 platforms, while allocating smaller portions to emerging projects with high upside potential. The focus should also extend to the broader ecosystems these coins operate within, as they often provide additional growth opportunities. For example, if a project like Virtual Protocol integrates seamlessly with the DeFi sector, it might benefit from the overall growth of decentralized finance. Keeping a close eye on institutional behavior can also provide valuable insights. When institutions commit to specific projects or sectors, it often signals a shift that could drive significant market momentum. Grayscale's top 20 altcoins for 2025 provide more than just investment ideas. They often a glimpse into the shifting priorities of institutional investors, the people that count. As the crypto market matures, understanding these priorities will be critical for retail investors aiming to stay ahead. Whether it's the rise of layer 2 solutions, the expanding role of DeFi, or the focus on scalability, Grayscale's picks underscore the sector's poised for significant growth. For retail investors, the key is to approach these insights with a discerning eye. While some prefer to focus on quantity over quality, here they choose to focus on quality over quantity. So I'm going to give you the bottom line. Grayscale's top 20 altcoins for 2025 aren't just a list. They're a signal of where the smart money might be heading to, Use this as a guide to refine your own research and stay ahead of the game. What's your take on Grayscale picks? Drop your comments down below, and do not forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, stay plugged into the Bit Squad. Also, make sure to comment down below all of your ideas for the very serious show. That's all I've got. Be blessed. Be clear.